So my name is Grace, and the song is called King of My Heart. I believe it was written by Bethel Music. I think Steffany Gretzinger. King of my heart, be the wind inside my sails, the anchor in the waves. Oh, he is my song. Let the King of my heart be the fire inside my veins, the echo of my days. Oh, he is mine. You are good, good. Oh, you are good, good. Oh, you're good, good. Oh, you are good, good. Let the King of my heart be the wind inside my sails, the anchor in the waves. Oh, he is my song. Let the King of my heart be the fire inside my veins, the echo of my days. Oh, he is my song. You are good, you're good. Oh, you are good, good. Oh, you are good, good. Oh, you are good, good. Oh, you are good. You're good. Oh, you are good. You're good, God. You are good. The words that stick out to me very much are the King of my heart, be the wind inside my sails, the anchor in the waves. He is my song. And I think how do I put this into words? It's hard to articulate, but in declaring these things, we kind of receive the truth of who God is to us, and especially in singing those words and declaring them. So, yeah. Let the King of my heart be the wind inside my sails, the anchor in the waves. So he is my song. Do you mind if I sing?